Yawning. We all do it when we're tired, bored, stressed, or even when someone else yawns first. But what is actually happening inside the body when we yawn? Let's go inside the human brain to see how yawning really works. Yawning begins in a small control center deep in the brain called the hypothalamus. This area helps regulate sleep, body temperature, stress, and alertness. When the hypothalamus senses low oxygen levels, rising carbon dioxide, fatigue, or a drop in brain temperature, it sends a signal that it is time for a reset. That signal activates a chain reaction across the nervous system. First, the muscles in the face and jaw receive the command. The mouth opens wide, much wider than during normal breathing. At the same moment, the diaphragm and chest muscles contract, pulling in a huge, deep breath. This long inhale brings a surge of fresh oxygen into the lungs, while unused carbon dioxide begins leaving the body. Inside the brain, fresh oxygen-rich blood increases circulation and slightly cools the brain. Some scientists believe yawning acts as a natural cooling system, helping the brain return to an optimal operating temperature. Others think yawning helps the brain transition between states, waking up, staying focused, or preparing to sleep. As the chest and lungs fill, pressure changes cause the eardrums to flex, which is why yawns often make our ears pop. At the same moment, the eyes may water as facial muscles squeeze the tear ducts. Then comes the second phase. The body releases the breath in a long exhale. The jaw relaxes and the nervous system stabilizes. Within moments, heart rate and alertness increase slightly. It's a mini reboot for the brain. Now here's something fascinating. Yawning is contagious. When we see, hear, or even think about yawning, certain mirror neurons in the brain activate. These neurons help humans empathize and copy the behavior of others, one reason groups of people sometimes yawn together. So, while yawning may look simple, it is a powerful biological reset involving the brain, nerves, lungs, face, and circulatory system, working together to energize and refocus the body. That's what really happens inside the body when humans yawn.